it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Here with another reaction. Today we are at Valiant, DJ Frass production with Gungo Bwoy. Yeah, on the party bus Riddim. Yeah, Valiant featuring DJ Frass, which DJ Frass is the production team. Big up DJ Frass yourself. Big up yourself. With Gungo Bwoy, Valiant. Let's jump in the one and see what the G has said. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Here we go again. Jeffy.
Me say me clean and fresh like a Gungo Bwoy. Me smell sweet like food on Sunday time. My jeans them come from 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. My Uber carry on my knife and jive. Gungo, I'm from a little bit. Fuck be a gal with my little dick. My motor still not need no wriggles. Outside now white tees with a pretty bitch. Me say me tie down my head with that do-rag. Fling the cake across my back like a school bag. Robbers not a bank.
Yo, that video is funny already. That video is funny already.
Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Yo, that video gonna make me laugh. You know that video make me laugh. Yo, big up the retro style when they go back to the days and yeah, he might show you from them little bit in a day. Yeah, them type of dressing there from them time. Big up.
Here we go again. Gungo Bwoy. Gungo Bwoy. Me say me clean and fresh like a Gungo Bwoy. Me smell sweet like food on Sunday time. My jeans them come from 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. My Uber carry on my knife and jive.
Clad. Boss just come out of the house. Boss just come out of the tabernacle with 2 girls.
Clean and fresh like a Gungo Bwoy. Me smell sweet like food on Sunday time. My jeans them come from 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. My Uber carry on my knife and jive. Gungo, I'm from a little bit. Fuck be a gal with my little dick. My motor still not need no wriggles. Outside now white tees with a pretty bitch. Me say me tie down my head with that do-rag. Fling the cake across my back like a school bag. Robbers not a Bronx, that new rap. I'm not too friendly, no mutual friend. I say me under mad vibes. From country to town is a long drive. Come war me, yo, me pressing up the 45. Dog, remember we day in a party vibe. Just dance.
Oh, that's a hit song.
Me say me clean and fresh like a Gungo Bwoy. Me smell sweet like food on Sunday time. My jeans them come from 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. My Uber carry on my knife and jive. Gungo, I'm from a little bit. Fuck be a gal with my little dick. My motor still not need no wriggles. Outside now white tees with a pretty bitch. Me say me tie down my head with that do-rag. Fling the cake across my back like a school bag. Robbers not a Bronx, that new rap. I'm not too friendly, no mutual friend. I say me under mad vibes. From country to town is a long drive. Come war me, yo, me pressing up the 45.
Yeah, it's a country for something on a father town to the dog. From country to town is a long. Yo. Watch moms. Amen.
I'm not too friendly, no mutual friend. I say me under mad vibes. From country to town is a long drive. Come war me, yo, me pressing up the 45. Dog, remember we day in a party vibe. Just dance. Gungo Bwoy. Gungo Bwoy.
Big in tan.
Gungo Bwoy. Me say me super frantically, expialidocious. Got it motion, legs were easy for open. My bitch.
All the hell him put that? How you put that in one song, dog? Valley, how you put that already in one song, brother? How?
Gungo Bwoy. Gungo Bwoy. Me say me super frantically, expialidocious. Got it motion, legs were easy for open. My bitch.
When him say Gungo Bwoy, am I wrong in interpreting it as in like him father name Gungo? You know, like your father name John. It's a John boy that you know, or a Tom boy that you know. Him father name Gungo, or what? Am I reading it wrong? Like what one?
Gungo Bwoy. Gungo Bwoy.
Gungo Bwoy.
Me say me super frantically, expialidocious. Got it motion, legs were easy for open. My bitch chosen, yeah, she drink from the fountain. And from your fuck her good, she I gonna make it sound them. No quick for broke me, I for go around 10. My cologne scent smell like the cow pen. She not gonna look no cloud then.
I'm saying cologne scent smell like the cow pen. They must say your cologne them stinking nice. Not saying that cow pen smell nice. So you know what kind of comparison is him a compare him cologne to cow pen.
Motion legs were easy for open. My bitch chosen, yeah, she drink from the fountain. And from your
Where them find a bus here, by the way? Them bus still around?
motion legs were easy for open. My bitch chosen, yeah, she drink from the fountain. And from your fuck her good, she I gonna make it sound them. No quick for broke me, I for go around then. My cologne scent smell like the cow pen. She not gonna look no cloud then. Pussy bitch and not the close friends. Your rude, no fuck my rap designer. Be my see dog, I for recline back. Inna the pussy me a dance, be a revival.
I was saying the pussy me a dance, be a revival. Poko.
The rude, no fuck my rap designer. Be my see dog, I for recline back. Inna the pussy me a dance, be a revival. Gungo Bwoy, Gungo Bwoy, Gungo Bwoy, Gungo Bwoy. I like fusion, lash and bad bitch. I like my girls, them savage. Frontal lace, we go rock my pocket. Tipper big when I pop that elastic. Cheer for me.
Them two girl, yeah. I did twin them with them on TikTok. Are them right? I'm sure them. Them bad, you know. Them that pair of twin are bad.
We go rock my pocket. Tipper big when I pop that elastic. Cheer for me. Somebody get a cheer for this. Brazilian here budgets. Yo, DJ Frass if you spend for the girl living in the dark.
Yo, DJ Frass if you spend for the girl living in the dark. See, I said DJ Frass not spend for the girl them. DJ Frass, the girl them a talk about you in the dark. That is what Valiant say, not me.
Cheer for me.
Yeah.
Somebody get a cheer for this.
Yeah.
Brazilian here budgets.
Yeah.
Yo, DJ Frass if you spend for the girl living in the dark. I love my girls, them toxic.
Boy, big in done. No, I never. Big up yourself.
Gungo Bwoy.
Where them find a bus here from, man? Yo, where them find a bus here from, dog? It's a Tata, the old Tata bus them. Who remember them bus there? Who old enough remember them bus there in the comment section? Let me know what I go in the comment section. If you're not old enough remember them bus there. Old Tata bus, the country bus them. When them they left our country in the morning, I'll check in the morning, them a left out the country, you know, brother. If you reach a town pan time, enough, go to market, you know. Yeah. So, Gungo Bwoy thing, is it him father name Gungo or what? What is it? Well, what is it about Gungo Bwoy? Like, what is the significance of the Gungo Bwoy thing when I talk about? Is it in father name Gungo? Am I wrong in saying that, or am I right in saying that? Oh, Gungo Bwoy. DJ Frass, big up yourself. Party bus ready my shot. Yo, the video nice though. Big up the ladies them come out and look the party in the video. Big up on yourself. No or never. Big up yourself. Make sure that know say you shot this. Big up yourself. Jeffy, big up. Big up yourself. DJ Frass, big up yourself as always. Valiant. What you say, guys? Is this another hit song from Valiant? Because you know say Valiant can't find the hits then, right? Is this a next hit song from Valiant? Gungo Bwoy. Yeah, Gungo Bwoy. Father! This time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you want to see more video reactions from Valiant, click on any one of them two videos and I will catch you guys in the next one. Gungo Bwoy. I just say Gungo Bwoy. Gungo.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.